How to change Hotmail password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change Hotmail password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up a web browser. Now previously it was Hotmail, but now it's called Outlook. So if you have a hotmail.com account, it's completely alright. You can use that very email address in your Outlook as well. So what you'll need to do is head over to outlook.live.com, and after you head over there, make sure that you log in into your Hotmail account. And after you've done that, you will be on this page right here. Now, to change your password, you will just have to change your password for your Microsoft account as a whole. So if you want to do that, you will need to tap on this icon, that is the profile icon on the top right corner. Head over to my Microsoft account, and after you head over there, this is your account settings, and right here you will see change password option. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, wait for it to load. It will take you to another page. Now you will need to type in your current password. After you type in your current password, you will be able to change your password. So wait for it to load. And yeah, now all you need to do to change your password is enter your current password, type in your new password. You can use a password manager for that as well. After you re-enter your password, you will need to just save it and you're good to go. So that is how you can change your Hotmail password, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.